Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the reverse light on this 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback. This should apply to the 2007 all the way through to 2015. Similar process should apply for the Grand Tour and the Coupe. So you're going to have to open the boot, hatchback or tailgate by pushing the button within the Renault symbol. Lift that up out of your way. If you want to ever give yourself more access, feel free to remove your own partial shelf. In here is a little door panel, and push these in with your two fingers and down. Whoa. And you'll see some insulation here, which when you move it out of the way, you're going to see a little triangular screw. Now, whichever hand is your preference, just start to unscrew it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now lower the tailgate. Never lock your keys in your own car, but lower the tailgate and remove the unit. As you can see here, it doesn't look like this has been removed in a long time, but it's a W16W bulb here. This is for your LEDs, so don't worry about that. This is your reverse light. So unlock it, going in the opposite direction to the instructions here. Just carefully lower your unit. Here's the old bulb. Just take it out. It's just a wedge, W16W wedge. So I'll go grab my new one. Here's the new one. Place it in here. Place it back into the light unit and lock it in. Place the whole light unit back in. So there's going to be a few locating areas that have to go back into the bodywork. So just take your time. And when you screw it back in, it's going to line up better with the bodywork. To screw it back in or secure it, you're going to need to open your tailgate again, lift it up out of the way, grab your little screw dude, and righty tighty, nice and tight. Grab your little panel and place it back in. There you have it. That's how you replace your reverse light on your own Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback or Grand Tour or Coupe. So we really hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give the video a like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.